are going to work now. It is now 1:35 and we are near to the workplace. Yeah, the weather is really nice today, but there is actually a rain this morning. Yeah, also yesterday I saw in the news that it is flooding. Yeah, there is a heavy storm raining in Victoria, including those places that I've been to during my road trip. Yeah, you're going to notice the difference of the sands here compared to the sands of those beaches, yeah, that I have been. Yeah, like the one in Stanley Park in Wollongong. What they have is a brown color. Yeah, different beauty. Here is like this white pine, like this. Yeah, I just had a quick look here. My duty today is 2 o'clock, so we still have about 15 minutes. Oh, this is the last rise. Good morning, guys. It is now 10:15 and I've been awake since maybe 6 o'clock or 5:30. I was editing video and now it's finished, now rendering. Yeah, hopefully I won't be able to have a SD card error. Yeah, because I already reformat all the memory card that I have. With regards with my lost footages, yeah, just ignore it. I don't want to keep my mind on thinking how to solve that problem. So what I did is just I reformat all the SD card, and then yeah, I'm going to use that, and hopefully there will be no more SD card error. And I think the reason why I'm getting that SD card error is because I am using all those SD card, the same SD card, to my dust cam. Yeah, I just put some water to steam this sausage for a little bit. Boil, okay, boil. I'm going to keep one for maybe tonight or tomorrow. Also, I'm going to fry an egg later. And another thing, I still have this. Just a little. And this is my meal. There is egg, sausage, and what's this? It is now 1:10 and I'm going to work now. I'm just making a coffee. According to the forecast, there is no rain today. That's why we are on the bike. Oh, my coffee is not properly sealed. That's why there's some leakage. And this is how it is at the moment. Yeah, you see the water is very calm. Really nice. Yeah, even on that side. Yeah, there's no boat, there's no ferry, there's no tourists. Yeah, just really calm. Yeah, the weather is really nice. Okay, we go. And you know, this is again my very first time to ride the bike. Yeah, and I think if I see the ladies, yeah, the usual ladies that are always there, they maybe are going to surprise. Oh, where have you been? But at this time they are not there yet. They usually here from 2 o'clock or 3 o'clock until sunset. Good afternoon. Yeah, I miss those. Oh, wet here. Yeah, I miss those days where I usually greet the people that I am seeing around here. Good afternoon, something like that, and then they will reply good day. There's a couple here. Oh, a lot of people actually. Yeah, really nice. Sunbathing, swimming is now good because yeah, the weather is good. I can see they even have a tent. There's one lady, we need to bus her. Good afternoon, thank you. Good afternoon. Yeah, I really miss those things when I greet the people and when they look back and they smile to me. I like those. Another thing is I am thinking of going back to this yeah, exercise area. I want to do again some pull-ups, chin-up, things like that. Oh, there are so many cars here. I don't know why. That is like a barangay hall or town hall, community hall, something like that. I just saw Anthony driving. He didn't look at me. He is focused on his driving. And as expected, there are many cars. I will show the people to you when we get to my favorite spot. Yeah, actually a lot, really a lot. Yeah, we'll stay here for a little bit. Yeah, there are people there. Oh, I won't be able to show you because there's one like a lady in a bikini sunbathing. But there are many people already on that side.
Bike ka nga?
Yo, good morning guys. Yeah, I'm ready with my breakfast. Almost lunch because it's already 11 o'clock. Yeah, I'm watching these two guys in the Philippines. Yeah, my duty today is 1 o'clock. That's why I'm preparing my coffee and we are going to work. Oh, look at that. There is a cabinet which is free. Oh, it's not cabinet, just a rack, I think. Yeah, 2 pieces and it's free. Really nice. And today is the second day of my day. Yeah, riding the bike, going to work. Yeah, the weather is really nice. Blue sky. Yeah, the temperature also is good. Amazing. I am back to my usual daily bike ride. And this is how it is down here. A lot of cars. For sure, a lot of people. Yeah, they are on the beach. Yeah, really nice. Yeah, the guy at the back is having a Dalmatian. Yeah, 2 Dalmatian. Maybe boy and girl. A lot of people are walking around here. Oh, yesterday when I finished my duty, I had a little in mind that I wish I drive the car. Yeah, because I was tired after work, and so I feel like I wish I drive after. But when I was driving the bike, yeah, it was really feeling good. Yeah, I was able to sing along with the music. Like I finished one music because when I am driving, Yeah, I can't really sing along with the music, especially from work to my apartment. Yeah, because the distance is very fast. I can't even really finish one full music. When I'm driving in the night, that one shows my speed. I mean the speed of every vehicle that is passing through here. Sky is very beautiful today with those clouds. Oh, I just saw Tyrone. Maybe his day of today. Yeah, with his family. Oh, there's one renovation happening in here. You know, I think the pond like this is not originally like that. I think they just added the rooftop. Yeah, people are having picnic. Really nice. Yeah, these scenarios of having a lot of cars here will continue until summer. Yeah, as expected, a lot of people down there. Oh, I didn't able to show you, but the house here, if you remember the last time that I was on my bike, was this building. Yeah, this house is on construction. Now it's fully finished, and that is how beautiful it is.